Hello, welcome to Lockdown Drama. My name's Barry and you're here to do a drama session. Now, I'm going to say what I always say. If you haven't seen the introduction to Lockdown Drama, you need to watch that first. Then you know what this is all about. If you've done that, then you can stay. Welcome. Thank you for joining me. Today's session is called 10-second objects. And this is what you'll need. You'll need space, a little bit more space than I've got right now. You will also need a partner. However, today, if you've got more than one person, that's even better. You can make a little group, so you don't need one person. Minimum one person, let's say. Normally in a big session with lots of people, I would do it with groups of 4 or 5. But 2 is great. More than 2, even better. Really easy. Today, you are going to make a shape with both of your bodies. Or, of course, if you've got more than 2 people, all of your bodies together. You have to put your bodies together to make that shape. So it's not one each, it is together. Okay? Tell you what, I'll give you an example. Okay? So, I would like you and your partner to stand up, first of all, get a bit of space. Okay? And I would like you, with your body somehow, to make a triangle. Okay? So go ahead and do that. However you like. Have a quick chat about it. Lots of ways you can do it. If you're a bit stuck, you could stand up and have your hands like this, so the other person does that. You're sort of making a triangle there. You could lie on the floor. You will have to bend your bodies to make a triangle. You could use parts of your body to make a triangle. So if I just did that and my partner came along and did that, there's some kind of triangle there. There are lots of different ways you can do it. So be creative. There's not one right way. Okay, have you got one? Fantastic. There you go. Except I did say this was called 10-second objects. So you only have 10 seconds to do the object that I say. So there isn't time for discussion. Look how long it takes for me to go, right, so how do we do that? Oh, I've got an idea. Why? Oh, no, don't do that. Have you got any ideas? No, I know. Let's do that. Lay down on the floor. No, don't lay down. Time up. So just do it. Don't think. Go. Lots of different ways you can do it, but get it done quickly as you can. At the end of the 10 seconds, which I will count, I will say freeze, which is the drama word for stop, and hold your position. And just see how you got on. Okay, here we go. You don't need to pause me today. I'm going to do the counting. Number 1, easy one to begin with. Remember, you can do it however you like. You have 10 seconds to make a sausage. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Hold your sausage. Very good. Very good. See? Now, there's lots of ways you could do it. You could be lying on the floor. There are curly sausages. Maybe you're a curly sausage. Good job. I have to say, being a sausage is quite an easy one. Let's move on. Good job. Relax. Now, during this count, don't watch me. I'm not doing anything. I'm just counting. Okay. Next one. A little bit trickier. Number 2. A vase of flowers. That's a vase of flowers. Both of you or all of you go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Look at you. When you woke up this morning, I bet you didn't think you were going to be part of a vase of flowers. And relax. Excellent. You got the hang of it now. Moving on. Number 3. Ready? A butterfly. That's a butterfly. You don't have to move. Just need to become a... 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze. You're a butterfly. Oh, I'm imagining all those beautiful butterflies just in that space. Oh, it brings happiness to my mind. Good job. Relax. Next one. Here we go. I'm sure you're getting into this now and you're ready. You're fired for the next one. The next one, be creative again, is a television. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze. There you go, a television. Maybe you've done someone on the television, maybe done somebody who's watching television, or a remote control as well. You can be creative as you like because no one's judging you. It's all about you guys. Next one, here we go. Please make now fire. So some fire. Okay, this time it can move if you like. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze. Freeze your fire, except if it's moving, don't freeze. Did you ever think you could freeze fire? No. Is it a scientific impossibility? No idea. Good job. Okay, relax. Here we go. Next one, a little bit trickier. Please make a car. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze. How creative. I bet there are some people sitting on other people's backs right now. Oh yes. Okay, relax before anyone gets hurt. Okay, we're coming towards the end now. We could be doing this all night. There are literally thousands we could do, but I don't want to tire you out. And of course, once this video is finished, you could do your own. But here we go. This one is going to move. Just changing it around a little bit. Here we go. Please be a working washing machine. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze. Or don't, because you're working. Wow, look at you, round and round, round and round. Perfect. And relax. Well done. See how good you are at this. 10-second objects is great to do in drama because if you plan, you don't always come up with something. Just be creative, get going. I'm about to give you one more. But this time, you have a choice. Okay? You can choose any one of these three, depending on how tough you want to make it, or how fun or crazy. Okay? So I'm going to say your choice, and I'm going to count down from 12, because that gives you an extra 2 seconds to decide which one you're going to do. Okay. Exciting. Here we go. You have a choice of making Peppa Pig, a frog on a lily pad, or a toilet. That's Peppa Pig, a frog on a lily pad, or a toilet. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze. Whoa, I hope somebody's taking a picture of you right now. Look at you. Good job. And relax. Hooray, well done you. Round of applause. Good job, team. What fun. You could keep going now. You could stop me when I say goodbye and you can make up your own. You can play that as a family. You could write them down on pieces of paper, fold them up, and people have got to pull them out and got to make them. Much fun. It could be a guessing game. You could, for example, make a mobile phone and get the other team to guess what you are. There are so many ways you could do that. Well done. Thank you very much for joining me today. Join me again for the next session. Cheery bye.